Tesla Fremont Factory celebrates 15 years of electric vehicle production. Tesla is marking the 15-year anniversary of its Fremont factory in California, the first automotive mass manufacturing plant acquired by the electric car maker. Since opening in 2010, the Fremont factory has produced all 4 S3XY models while creating tens of thousands of jobs and investing billions of dollars in the region. Celebrating 15 years of EV production, the Fremont factory's milestone was celebrated by the official Tesla manufacturing account on X, which posted a photo of several Teslas forming A15 in front of the facility's iconic white facade. As per the electric vehicle maker, the Fremont factory has now produced 3.6 million vehicles so far, and it has also created over 20,000 jobs in the state. 15 years ago, we opened Fremont Factory. Today, the Fremont team is producing all 4 S3XY models, totaling 3.6 million vehicles made so far. 20K California jobs created, billions of dollars invested, the official Tesla manufacturing account on X wrote in its post. 15 years ago, we opened Fremont Factory. Today, the Fremont team is producing all 4 S3XY models, totaling 3.6 million vehicles made so far. 20K California jobs created, billions of dollars invested. The Fremont factory's transformation. Tesla acquired the Fremont factory from the defunct NUMMI joint venture between General Motors and Toyota in May 2010 for $42 million. The facility had produced more than 8 million vehicles under GM and Toyota over 26 years. Following its acquisition, Tesla retooled the 5.3 million square foot plant to support the production of the Model S sedan. Over the past 15 years, the factory has evolved into Tesla's primary North American production hub. Assembling the Model S, 3, X, and Y annual output has exceeded 550,000 vehicles, including nearly 560,000 produced in 2023 alone. Expectations are high that other products, such as the next-generation Roadster and Optimus, might be produced in the Fremont factory as well. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.